Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Developer Tools immediately. Press F12 or Ctrl plus Shift plus I. Once open, choose the Elements panel and activate the Inspect cursor, then click the on-screen name you want to change. You are looking for a text node, an input element with a value attribute, or inner HTML inside a span/div. Make sure to reveal the exact DOM node. This determines whether you edit text content or an input value, so be precise before making any edits. Now modify the node you identified. Right-click and choose Edit as HTML to change a span or div text directly, or double-click a value attribute to edit it. If it's an input, you can also switch to the console and run document. Query selector. Value equals new name to set the displayed value. Once done, press Enter to apply changes. These edits alter only your browser's live DOM and don't change server data. Understand that this is temporary and local. To finish, verify the change appears as intended on the page. Remember, a refresh will revert it. If the site's JavaScript immediately overwrites your edit, set a DOM breakpoint on subtree modifications, or use the console to inject a mutation observer or a small script that reapplies your value. If that still fails, confirm your CSS selector or node reference is correct and not targeting a template. One troubleshooting tip: if edits vanish instantly, pause script execution with the debugger to make a stable change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.